Hello everyone, we are going to see about how to setting up an Express.js. To set up Express.js, you need to follow these steps. First, you want to initialize your project, create a new directory for your project and navigate into it using terminal or command prompt. I have created a file called Express and initialize npm in your project directory. This will create a package json file. First, go to terminal, new terminal, and enter npm init dash y. This will create a package.json file. Next, we want to install express.js. To install express.js as a dependency, use npm install express. Save. If I press enter, see we are getting package log.json and node modules. Next, creating Express application. Create a new JavaScript file to write your Express.js application code. Click on the new file and create index.js. Next, see in package.js, see in the dependency we are getting Express. Next, we want to import a required module Express. Next, we are creating an Express application. For that, const app equal to Express. Next, we want to define a route handler for the default home page. App.get request comma response. I want to send a res dot send hello world. Next, I want to start the server. For that, first I am going to put a port equal to in which port it wants to work. Next, to start the server, app.listen, and then I want to give the port, and then I am going to console log. And then port value. If I say this and if I run, for that we want to use node index. I want to give a change a port, and if if I run this, see we are getting the server is running on HTTP localhost. See we are getting hello world. Like this, we want to set up an Express.js application, and you can expand your application by adding more routes, middleware, and functionalities as needed. Thank you.